So we are very close to launching our STN Speech-to-Note desktop companion application, which will be launched in its first beta very soon to all of our registered users. So here's what you would be able to use desktop companion application for. So let's say if I want to write a LinkedIn post, all I can do is press Command Option R on my keyboard, and it will start recording. So hey, this is a post about STN desktop companion application, which will allow me to voice my thoughts on the fly and just take a transcript out of it. And then if I want, I can also generate a quick LinkedIn post out of that transcript by uh, hitting certain shortcut keys for my preferred formats, and then I would be able to paste my format straight away on the LinkedIn platform. And I am doing this while demoing this in form of a video, which I will be attaching with this LinkedIn post. Like, yeah, it's pretty much like a live experience. I pressed the shortcut Command Option S, and yeah, we have the transcript ready. So all I can do is click on Summarize, and I can do LinkedIn post. Select LinkedIn post, generate. And yeah, this is ready, and all I need to do is press Command V, and here is my LinkedIn post. Cheers.